Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings. Three, two, one, start! Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings.
Yeah.
I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. Every step makes this drawing cuter and cuter, doesn't it? Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings.
Yeah.
Look at that! It's already turning out so adorable! It's so much fun adding all these little details to make it look even cuter! I just love how this little character is coming to life. If something doesn't look right, you can always try again. share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Hiya.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching,